Yes, you've heard of BIM, Building Information Modeling, and you also know that we use the 3D to 2D workflow. That means we model directly in SketchUp for the perspectives and design, so we can see the three-dimensional design of the building, and then just use the 2D documentation for construction permits and construction manuals. However, because making 3D also takes time, there's a way where you can just like draw in the whiteboard, or simply put, it's like your traditional AutoCAD drafting 2D and then transferring it to SketchUp in 3D. Except this time we are still using SketchUp alone, using the layout workflow. Now this starts first with layout because by looking top view for everything, you can try to organize your thoughts and plan in 2D, just like drawing on a whiteboard. Now remember, planning and design are interchangeable, so what we're doing right now is based on the lot plan, based on the documents, we're going directly to the output. However, the problem with going directly to the output is that when you transfer it now during the 3D, there are some lapses that are seen. For example, alignment of spaces, or when you think of a better design, such as the window openings, then you have to update it again in the 2D documentation. So while we are doing 3D to 2D to encompass all of those little things to be drawn, sometimes the client or the permits need to be rushed very fast. So by organizing our thoughts in layout, we are not rotating the camera, or we are not like looking at 3D with the software, but we are looking at it with our minds. So we are imagining the motions of the construction and design through planning. This brings us back to the feel of drawing with a drafting board in first year or fourth year in college, just like how architecture used to be, with our drawing boards and planning on paper, without the use yet much of technology to look at the 3D things that could follow later on, and these are the differences. Still the same, still efficient.